Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to fix the Niantic AR camera not working in Pokemon Go. Let's get started. First, ensure that your device meets the minimum AR requirements. To use AR mode in Pokemon Go, your phone must have a gyroscope and accelerometer. Check if your phone supports AR Core or AR Kit, which are required for the camera feature. If your device is not compatible, you may need to use regular camera mode. Next, make sure your location services are turned on. Go to your phone settings, then location or location services. Make sure it's enabled and set it to high accuracy or device only mode. Now, let's restart the app. Close Pokemon Go completely from your recent apps menu and open it again. This can resolve minor glitches or temporary issues with the AR camera. Another important step is checking your camera permissions. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, find Pokemon Go in the list. Tap on it, then go to permissions and make sure camera is enabled. Without camera access, the AR feature will not work. You can also try clearing the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, find Pokemon Go again in the list. Tap on storage and tap on clear cache. This can resolve any corrupt or outdated files that might be affecting the AR camera. If the issue persists, check for any Pokemon Go updates. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Pokemon Go and make sure it is up to date. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve app performance. Finally, try restarting your phone. A fresh restart can resolve system level issues and help restore camera functionality. And that's it. Follow these steps to fix the Niantic AR camera issue in Pokemon Go. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.